Hey, know when the Raptor comes out, y'all, it is super legit. Hey, I even got the J's on today. I broke them straight out, but we can't stay out here long because it's hot, y'all. Not because it's 98, because we got 100 straight out off the rip INDORAPTORs back here behind us. You probably have already seen some of these online. We got the Velocity Blue and Oxford White INDORAPTOR. So legit. That's a game changer right there. That one right there is hurting the feelings. I'm not lying. Then we got Redline INDORAPTOR. This is the most expensive INDORAPTOR, but it has the most added components that give you ultimate satisfaction and integrity while looking truly amazing like a Georgia Bulldog. Let's go! Next, we have the main attraction. This video today is specifically about this beauty right here, the Stormtrooper vibe with a little new variation. And then of course we got the two-face. What do I mean by two-face? We got iconic silver with black wheels on one side and silver on the other. We got a new filmer today. My man right here, one time. Loves what he's doing for us, y'all, so hit him up for everything auto at Akins. We keep acquiring diamond people, y'all, and we keep getting diamond customers. So you want to find the diamond, it's right here, y'all. We got 37 package. The rest are non-37 packages that we turned into a 37 vehicle, and then we got a special 325/60 combo here, so we got 36s on this one. So all are super legit, and not one are alike. Where else will you find a custom fuel covert in Velocity Blue? This is like a almost extinct INDORAPTOR. None of these are in existence. This is the only Velocity Blue INDORAPTOR. So we have things that nobody else has. Much like these tailgates back here are truly shutting the game down. Velocity Blue and black accented amazingly. We got the red line. You know you've seen it before. Amazing. We have the Stormtrooper vibe with some different taillight action, reverse lights, and then we have the two-face 37 package, iconic silver. Game over. What's special about Willies and Akins Ford is we are a custom shop, a truly custom shop, and a dealership that offers custom vehicles like you don't see anywhere else. Number one, we're number one for Raptor, number one for 450. I believe in my heart we're number one everything also. That's why you gotta check us out. Hit that subscribe button and give me a like, y'all, because I need to make sure everyone just like you sees this video, because we're nothing but positivity and beautiful custom vehicles. You ready to review? The main attraction is up now. This is a Stormtrooper INDORAPTOR. You can call it whatever you want to. It's got a little bit of everything going on. Most of all, it's got the elegant, premium, luxurious off-road vibe to it. That is what our main focus is making something truly epic, even more unbelievable, while just adding incredible value. Up front, this grille was like a gray color. Look at the before shot and look at the grille and the front bumper there being that gray color. So mundane and basic. Custom is better than stock every single time. This is living proof right here, y'all. Gloss black with Oxford white stencil there, white around the headlight, white on the Raptor, front bumper white, even the surround on your fog light, glossed it up, gloss down here. I love the skid plate extension going down on a couple different versions. Like show them this one right here, the white one behind us, the front bumper. We did not do the skid plate extender. So again, just ways we can show variations in doing just the bumper white, and this one here doing the bumper white, but then adding the extender in black. The skid plate is the extension there. This way here makes it look more rugged and sporty at the same time. So which one do you like? Let me know in the comments. And then Baja Design Squadron Pro lights behind the grille. Does not add to the bulkiness of the vehicle. It's nice and sleek and clean. Puts out a ton of light, over 1,600 lumens of total output. LED headlights that turn on low speed is truly epic as well. We got the heat extractor up top, removed that texture, did black. How detailed that Raptor side badge is, with the stencil outlined in white. That is truly the detail that we so desperately seek. The heat extractor looking amazing. Side mirrors as well. All this texture removed and did Oxford white throughout, even around the mirror here, just to clean it up and add to the value and elegance of this truck. Is all we're about, y'all, making the truck look better. This was a textured black that you're looking from the inside and you're seeing non-premium components. Get them out of here. Now, really hardcore Raptors, you're gonna hate me for this one. You know what? Haters gonna hate. You know what I mean? Hey, I don't have to be loved, but you know about me. And if you know about me, you might want to mess with us here at Willies and Akins, y'all, so you know. I roll with the 22s, y'all. We got 22s and gloss black and milled. Y'all have got to be boiling right now. If you're like a hardcore Raptor guy or 17s or else, you are got to be boiling right now. But hey, we'll still take it off-road. We're on Toyo Open Country MTs. I'll even wear the J's, y'all. I'll wear the J's and take this thing off-road. I'm not getting stuck. I got the reason to get out. You know what I mean? So we got 22s, and the only way I said that a gloss black and milled wheel would work on a Raptor was a white one. So I've been holding on to this for a while to show you another variation. We got the same wheel in all black on the red line there, but just another rendition to show you that we're always thinking, y'all. Side fenders, Oxford white. We deleted the stripe kit on it because it was orange. It did not go with the vibe. We kept the full performance and America flag, go America. Around the back, did the rear cladding and the rear bumper as well, Oxford white. You didn't think it could get any better. We typically do all black on the taillight. We did a border in Oxford white. We wanted the applique to be an extension all the way through the side rear taillight. So the black is a perfect continuation all the way across. The white around the border, shutting the game down. Applique out back, looking so stormtrooper-ish. We got Baja Designs S2 reverse lights, putting out plenty ample lights. And we have the new rolling lock power bed cover with the T-slot there for any above bed accessory. So legit. This truck has it all. 37s, mud terrain tires, level kit up front, RPG 1.5 inch. We got 22 American Force premium wheels. The inside, great amenities and creature comforts with blind spot monitor, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, heated and cooled seats, 12-inch camera, 360 camera, all kind of goodies in a off-road truck. What you know about that? This is stock number NFA 03423. This bad boy comes in at $121,850, properly equipped with all of our options, speedometer, calibrator as well. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. It's been a great day to be around all of these celebrities. When we're around these Raptors, we feel special because these trucks are celebrities. Y'all, this one's gonna be a hit, just like all three of those are. We even have race red still here. We have a code orange coming to you and two more black. If you don't know, the theme is we don't stop. Day after day, custom build after custom build. It's not just a once a month, we got a banger. It's every day. That's why I'm always lit, because we're always too legit with a new custom ride. Peace out.